Hello everyone, my name is Shruti Maknekar. I am from Sri Siddheshwar Women's College of Engineering Solapur from Computer Science Engineering branch. Today we are going to discuss about how to find A inverse by using Gauss-Jordan method. So let's see. First, we are going to see the procedure of finding A inverse by using this method. Using this method, we can find A inverse. Consider a matrix A. After that, write that matrix in AI form. That is, we have to convert the matrix A into an identity matrix by using operations only. So, after writing this, we have to use Gauss-Jordan method to find A inverse. So let's take an example of this. So here's a matrix A that is 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 5, 6. First step is we have to write it in AI form. That is the matrix as it is, and next we have to write identity matrix near it. We have to perform column We have to perform row operations only on it. We have to convert it in identity matrix, and the identity matrix is going to be A inverse. So after applying row operations on each and every row, we have to convert first element as 1 of each row, second element. This is how we are converting. We are applying row operations. R1 implies R1 minus 2R2. After that, we have to make elements R3 elements 0, so applying R3 into minus 1. After applying R1 and R2 conditions, we are getting a identity matrix of order 3 by 3. After all, finally we have got a identity matrix which is in IA form. First it was in AI form, after that we have converted it in IA form. Thus, the A inverse will be the new matrix that is formed after the identity matrix is formed on left side. Let's take one more example on this. So let's take one more example on Gauss-Jordan method. Taking we are taking this example in AI form. So write the matrix A as it is, and I means a identity matrix. So performing row operations. First of all, R2. R2 implies R2 minus R1, and R3 implies R3 minus R1. So after that we are getting 0 0 on the first column of second row. After that, on once more we have to perform R1 operation and then R1. Then we have converted finally this in a unit matrix or identity matrix, and we have got a new matrix which is nothing but our A inverse. We have found our A inverse by using Gauss Jordan method. Let's see one more example on this. The matrix 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 0 1 3. We are taking it in AI form. So A means the matrix is as it is, and the I means the identity matrix. R1 implies 3R1 minus R2. 1 minus 1 minus 3 5 1 0 0 1 3. This is now we are performing R2 operations, which is R2 minus 5R1. So 1 minus 1 minus 3 0 6 15 0 1 3 R2. Now we are going to interchange between R2 and R3. So we will get 1 in a second row. So R1 and R3 we are going to apply some changes. We are going to do some changes in R1 and R3 by dividing R3 by minus 3. We will get 1. So R1 R2 will be as it is, and R3. So we are now next going to make changes in R1 and R3, keeping R2 as it is. After making this, divide R3 by minus 3. So now we have make little more changes, that is R2 implies R2 minus 3R1. Finally we have got identity matrix on left side, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, and on the right hand side we have got a new matrix which is nothing but our A inverse by using Gauss Jordan method, which is which is in AI, which is in IA form, that is identity matrix and A inverse form. So finally we have got our A inverse, that is 3 minus 1 1, 15 6 minus 2 5 minus 2 and 2. Thank you so much for watching.